For many years, crypto market specialists have been working really hard to deliver a computerized resource, the biggest digital currency that would be a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, between tradability, and power. Every one of the obstacles and creative unconventionalities encompassing digital currencies were settled when Charles Hoskinson authored Cardano. Cardano establishment. The People Group impressions. The People Group at the Cardano project expects to convey financial increases to the clients by the organization. It bears the benefit of instructing and cautioning them on all the bare essential of the crypto world. The establishment dedicated to Cardano establishment's undertaking has support from InfoResult Hong Kong and Emergo. Embracing the total sanction of liability towards financial backer social reason, Emergo upholds business reception, and IOHK cares for the surface. Together, they are answerable for editing the imaginative peculiarity woven into Cardano innovation, composing formal techniques particulars. The entire portfolio is carefully explored and evaluated by experts before a public delivery. Cardano People Group is exceptionally forceful in spreading mass attention to the advanced resource ADA upheld by training on blockchain and DeFi areas with representatives, backers, and industry specialists. Leaving a worldwide impression upheld by articulate techniques makes Cardano stand apart from its companions and essentially influences different industry sections. Frederick Gergard, the CEO, has the vision as of now critically cut for the corporate. Cardano establishment has a devoted and top-quality ability base, which will take Cardano higher than ever, and I guess that the following couple of years will be a huge development period for the convention. Cardano, the new overhauls. There are a ton of moves up to Cardano's brilliant agreements in the new past. Alonzo Purple was the most effective redesign. The Alonzo Purple redesign got a monstrous change. Brilliant agreements. It has opened the entryways for non-fungible tokens and changed the chain. In addition to that, Cardano saw 100 million dynamic wallets back in May, yet the quantity of the crypto wallet has multiplied to 200 million over the most recent half year. Presently, the organization will have the help step up its adaptability to more readily oblige the new clients. Hydra is a Layer 2 scaling answer for Cardano, and it helps push the organization for business use. It will present 1,000 Hydra hubs, which are equipped for taking care of 1,000 exchanges each second. In the event that it is valid, Cardano will be the most elevated scaling network on the planet. Cardano Specialized Investigation. Cardano is the 8th biggest cryptographic money by market capitalization. Cardano's local token, ADA, has a tremendous market cap of $16,072,554,158. The development is primarily because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has reported one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. Be that as it may, the year 2022 has not been completely ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto lord. ADA's cost throughout the previous 7 days has been exchanging from 45 cents to 52 cents. The Cardano cost has figured out how to hold solid help of 40 cents. In any case, after ADA cost hit $1.60 in January, it was exchanging at lower levels. Then, it had a huge recuperation showing a seriously bullish example supported areas of strength for buy in spite of the unfavorable market patterns from mid-walk. Subsequent to penetrating the $1.20 mark, the cost of Cardano confronted a critical revision and fell underneath $1. As per our ADA coin cost expectation for the following couple of years, the token is assessed to have forward movement. Likewise, taking into account the digital money market's unpredictability, the Cardano cost can either contact the sky or hit a hard base from here on out. As of now, the value activity of Cardano reflects combination. Notwithstanding, we can expect the continuation of positive cost development towards its past high of $1. On the disadvantage, the ADA USD could confront brief rectification up to its past help of 38 cents. In any case, according to our Cardano forecasts, the cash will record a cost recuperation soon. The ADA coin showed range-bound exchanging, and the cost could begin a cost recuperation in the impending days. This force might take the coin past its opposition level. As indicated by this data, we handily anticipated that the fate of Cardano would be brilliant, and the coin recaptured its lost energy and raised a ruckus around town mark. Cardano Value Expectation 2022. The worth of ADA crypto will have a base, most extreme, and normal cost of around 45 cents, 95 cents, and 70 cents for the excess year of 2022. As per our Cardano cost forecast 2022, the rate change is supposed to be around 111% in the crypto markets. ADA value conjecture for November 2022. Taking a gander at the past presentation and future Cardano guide, the greatest and least ADA cost for November 2022 might be around 68 cents and 60 cents. Separately, simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be 64 cents. Cardano value expectation for December 2022. According to the Cardano conjectures, the normal, least, and greatest costs are supposed to be around 85 cents, 75 cents, and 95 cents for the long-term in. Accordingly, in the event that you put cash in Cardano, you might acquire nice benefits because of the cost development. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. As per our ADA estimates, the coin might exchange a scope of $1.10 to $1.56 for the year 2023, where the base cost is $1.10 and the greatest cost is $1.56. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around $1.33. Cardano Value Forecast 2024. The base and greatest costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around $1.30 and $1.75. Simultaneously, the typical cost, according to our Cardano cost figure, is supposed to be around $1.53. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. 2025 is the year when at last the coin might cross its $2 mark again, with a most extreme exchanging worth of $2.20. While the base future cost is supposed to be $1.60. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $1.90. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. The ADA cost could change somewhere in the range of $1.85 and $2.50 in 2026, where the previous is the most minimal cost and the last option is the most exorbitant cost for the year according to our Cardano cost expectations. The typical worth expected for the year is $2.18. Cardano Value Forecast 2027. As indicated by our ADA cost expectation, the base, normal, and greatest costs for the year are supposed to be $2.30, $2.52, and $2.74 individually. Cardano has been one of the most dynamic crypto resources, and assuming you purchase Cardano at the ongoing worth, merchants can acquire extraordinary benefits. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. In light of past execution, the base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $2.67 and $3.40, while the typical cost might be $3.04 for the year 2028. It is normal that ADA might make another ATH this year. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town ATH, the ADA coin will progress forward the upswing. According to our ADA cost expectation, the base and most extreme costs might be around $3.90 and $4.57 in 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth is determined to be $4.24. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. When it is 2030, our ADA cost expectation 2030 predicts that the coin might exchange a scope of $4.90 and $5.74. Simultaneously, our Cardano Value Expectation 2030 proposes that the typical worth might be $5.32 all year long. The Cardano conjecture proposes that the ADA cost could cross the most extreme cost of $2 toward the finish of 2025. The base cost may be around $1.82 according to their ADA cost forecast 2025, as indicated by Changelly's ADA expectation. The base worth of Cardano will be around 86 cents. The greatest expected ADA cost may be around